Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the GooFoto 11-inch ring light kit. This was very kindly sent by the manufacturer. They did not ask us to say anything in particular, neither was we paid for this review. I will leave a link in the description if you want to pick this up. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask in the comments section below, and subscribe to watch more reviews. This kit includes an instruction manual, a VIP Activate 3-year warranty card, a Bluetooth remote which is compatible with iOS and Android. It can be used to take pictures and start-stop record, an additional phone holder, the 11-inch ring light. It has 120 LEDs, 3 colour temperatures, which go from warm light 3200K, natural light 5300K, and cool light 6500K, and each mode has 10 brightness levels. It comes with a built-in gooseneck, which is non-removable with the phone holder, 2 cold shoes for extra accessories, some branding. That is the back. There are 2 ways this ring light can be mounted. At the bottom, it can be mounted to a light stand. If you twist this and move it back, it can be mounted to a tripod. It comes with a built-in cable, which can be powered by any USB port. This is the control, which has a brightness up, change modes, on-off button, and brightness down. The tripod comes with a carry case, instructions, and the tripod. The tripod is aluminium and extends to 53 inches. It can be adjusted from the top and adjusted 2 different angles. Now let's mount the ring light to the tripod. The ring light has 3 modes. This is the warm mode. Each mode can be increased and decreased by 10%. Let me just put the brightness down and the brightness up. This is the natural mode. I'll just do the same here. This is the cold mode. I'll do the same again. This is the tripod fully extended. This kit is good to have to make your photos and videos look good. Thank you to GooFoto for sending this out. Link in the description. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, a like would be much appreciated. Any questions, ask in the comment section below. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.